Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of Prime XBT for 2025. If you're into crypto trading or exploring new platforms, this video is perfect for you. We'll break down the pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Let's jump right in. First things first, what is Prime XBT? It's a global trading platform that lets you trade cryptocurrencies, forex, commodities, and even stock indices all in one place. Launched a few years ago, it's gained popularity for its leverage options and user-friendly design, especially as we head into 2025 with evolving market trends. Starting with the pros, one of the standout features is its intuitive interface. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, navigating the platform is a breeze, with clear charts and tools that make trading straightforward. Another big plus is the high leverage, up to 1000x on select assets, which can boost your potential profits in volatile markets like crypto. Plus, Prime XBT supports a wide range of assets, so you can diversify your portfolio without switching platforms. Security is also top-notch, with features like two-factor authentication and encrypted transactions to keep your funds safe. Now, let's talk about the cons to keep it balanced. One downside is the fees. Trading costs can add up, especially for frequent traders, and they might be higher than some competitors. Regulatory issues are another concern. Prime XBT isn't available in every country due to licensing restrictions, so you'll need to check if it's accessible where you live. Additionally, the high leverage that attracts users also comes with significant risks, including the potential for substantial losses if the market turns against you. There have been reports of occasional platform downtime during high volatility, which could impact your trades. Overall, for 2025, Prime XBT remains a solid option if you're looking for a versatile trading platform, but it's not without its flaws. I recommend starting with a demo account to test the waters. If you're serious about trading, weigh these pros and cons based on your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more updates, and hit the bell icon. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. What's your go-to trading platform? See you in the next video.